Problem with payment.
Hello, are you finished?
Yes, thank you. It was delicious. Can I have the check, please?
Of course. That will be $12.
I'll pay with a card.
Sure, please insert your card here.
It's not working.
That's strange. Please try one more time.
Okay. No, still not working.
Maybe there's a problem with the machine.
I hope it's not my card.
Do you have any cash?
Unfortunately, only $5. Is there an ATM near here?
Yes, right around the corner. A 2-minute walk.
Great, thank you. I'll go get some cash quickly. I'll be right back.
Of course, no problem. I'll wait here.
A few minutes later.
Okay, now I have cash.
Perfect. $12, please.
Here you are.
Thank you very much, and sorry about the machine.
No problem. These things happen.
Did you enjoy your meal?
Yes, very much. Especially the chocolate cake.
Ah, that's our specialty.
Then I'll definitely be back.
We'd love that. Have a nice day.
Thanks, you too. Goodbye.
Conversation on a train.
Excuse me, is this seat taken?
No, please, sit down.
Thanks. Do you need help with your suitcase?
No, thank you. I've got it. It's not too heavy.
Are you also going to Washington, D.C.?
Yes, exactly. And you?
Me too. It's a long ride.
Yes, almost 3 hours.
Do you travel by train often?
Not very often. I usually drive a car.
I see. I don't have a car.
Then the train is better.
Yes, and you can see the view. Are you going on vacation?
Yes, I'm visiting friends. And you?
I'm going to see my family.
Nice.
Do you have a reserved seat?
Yes, seat 14. But someone was already sitting there.
Oh no, and he was sleeping?
Yes, fast asleep.
Typical on a train. But it's nice here too.
Yes, it is. It's nice to chat a little.
What are you reading?
A mystery novel. I like exciting stories.
Me too.
Do you have a book with you?
Yes, but I haven't started it yet.
Now is a good time.
True. I'll try it now.
Okay, well, have a good trip.
You too, and enjoy your book.
Airplane seat mix-up.
Excuse me, I think you are in my seat.
Oh, I don't think so. My ticket is for the window, seat 16B.
Wait, my ticket says 16A, and 16A is the window seat.
That's strange. I always thought B was the window seat.
No, A is always the window. B is the middle seat. C is the aisle.
Oh my goodness, you are right. My ticket does say 16B.
And 16B is the middle seat.
I am so sorry. I wanted the window, so I just assumed this seat was B. I made a mistake.
No problem. It is an easy mistake.
I will move right now.
Thank you.
Well, I guess you have the best view today.
Thank you. Have a good flight.
A taxi takes a different route.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Where are we going?
To the Lake Hotel, please, on Lake Street.
All right, here we go.
Excuse me, this street doesn't go to the lake?
No, I am taking another route. There is less traffic.
I thought Main Street was faster.
Not today. There is construction on Main Street.
Is this way longer?
A little longer, but it is much faster.
Okay, I don't want to pay too much more.
Don't worry, it is only a small difference.
How long will it take?
About 15 minutes.
Good. I trust you.
Thank you. I know this city very well.
Do you drive a taxi for a long time?
Yes, for 12 years.
Then you know all the streets.
Exactly. And I also know good restaurants.
Oh, interesting.
I recommend the Harbor Restaurant. Very good fish.
Great. I love fish.
And the vegetables there are delicious too.
Perfect. I will try it.
Look, there is the lake.
Are we almost there?
Yes, 3 more streets.
Your route was much better.
See? No traffic.
Thanks for the ride.
That is $9, please.
Here is 10. Keep the change.
Thank you very much. Very nice. Have a good day.
Thanks. You too. Goodbye.
Wrong change at the cash register.
Hello?
Hello.
Are you paying with cash?
Yes, here is $20.
Thank you. The total is $12.50. Here is your change, $5.50.
Excuse me, I think that is not correct.
Really? Yes, that should be correct.
No, I gave you a $20 bill.
Yes, and the price is $12.50.
Then the change should be $7.50.
Are you sure?
Yes, look, 20 minus $12.50.
Okay, let me look in the cash register.
Please, I counted it carefully.
You are right. I am missing $2.
Thank you. It was just a small mistake.
I am sorry. With so many coins, it happens sometimes.
It's okay, but you have to be careful.
Of course. Thank you for telling me.
Can I get a bag?
Yes, it costs 10 cents.
Here you go.
Okay, so here is $7.40 back.
Perfect. Now everything is correct.
Are you from here or are you visiting?
I am visiting from Austin.
Ah, Austin, a very nice city.
Yes, but I like Chicago very much too.
That have fun here in the city.
Thank you, and thanks for checking the money.
No problem. Thank you for your patience. Have a nice day.
Thank you. You too. Goodbye. Hotel booking not found.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Welcome to the Lakeview Hotel. Do you have a reservation?
Yes, for today, under the name Thomas Meyer.
One moment. I cannot find your name in the system.
Are you sure? I booked it online 2 weeks ago.
Yes, I looked, but nothing is here.
I have the confirmation email right here on my phone.
May I see it?
Of course. Look, today's date, a double room for 3 nights.
Yes, but I do not see a reservation number.
Yes, it is at the bottom of the email.
Ah, yes, you are right. Let me search again.
Thank you.
Still nothing. This must be an error from the website.
So, what do we do now?
We can give you an available room for the same price.
Is it also a double room?
Yes, a double room with a view of the lake.
Perfect. That is what I booked.
The price is $80 per night.
Yes, that is the same price as my reservation.
Very good. I will keep that rate. For the apology, I will also give you free breakfast.
Thank you very much. That is very nice.
Would you also like access to the spa?
Is that included?
No, that costs $10 per day.
Then, no, thank you.
Here is the key for room 305.
What floor is that?
On the 3rd floor, at the end of the hallway.
Very good.
If you need anything, please call the front desk.
Okay, thank you for your help.
Of course. Thank you for your patience. Have a nice evening. Welcome to the hotel.
You too.
Error in the restaurant check.
Excuse me, please.
Yes, ma'am. Did you enjoy your meal?
Yes, it was very good. Thank you. But I think the check is wrong.
Oh, let me look.
It says 2 schnitzels here, but I only had 1 schnitzel.
Ah, yes, that is wrong. It was charged twice.
And here it says 2 coffees. I only drank 1.
You are right. I will correct this right away.
How much is the correct total?
One moment. Schnitzel, $12. Coffee, $2. So $14 less, right?
Yes, exactly. So the new total is $25?
Yes, $25 is correct.
Super. That looks right.
My apologies for the mistake. We are very busy today.
No problem. It can happen.
I am happy you liked the food.
Yes, the schnitzel was delicious. Does it always come with lemon?
Yes, usually, only if the guest does not want it.
I like lemon. It is very fresh.
I am glad. Would you like a dessert?
No, thank you. Just the correct check.
Here is the new check, $25.
I will pay with a credit card, please.
Insert the card here. Perfect. The payment is complete.
Thanks for fixing the check.
Of course.
I will come back again.
We are happy to hear that. Welcome to Miami.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too. Goodbye.
Backpack mix-up in the park.
Hello. Excuse me.
Hello, yes?
I think you have my backpack.
My backpack? No, this is mine.
My backpack is blue and has a name tag.
Oh, my backpack is also blue, but it has no tag.
I have a red water bottle inside mine.
Wait, yes, here is a red bottle.
See? That is my backpack.
Oh, I am so sorry.
No problem. The backpacks were lying together.
Yes, I was not paying attention.
Where is your backpack?
Over there, by the fountain.
Let's go. Yes, here it is. No tag.
Good. Now everything is correct. Sorry for the mistake.
It's okay. For a minute, I thought my bag was stolen.
No, just a mix-up. Do you come here often?
Yes, almost every Sunday.
Nice. I like the lake with the ducks.
Yes, and the ice cream at the kiosk is delicious.
Which ice cream is good?
Vanilla or pistachio.
Great. I will get that.
Are you on vacation in New York?
Yes, until Thursday.
You should also go to Central Park.
Good idea. Thanks. And sorry again about the backpack.
No problem. Now it is a funny story.
Next time, I will put a ribbon on mine.
Good idea. Well, have a nice day.
Thanks. You too. Bye.
Dogs forbidden in the cafe.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Would you like a table?
Yes, please, for one person.
Sure. But is that your dog?
Yes, this is my dog. His name is Paco.
I am very sorry, but dogs are not allowed inside.
Oh, not even small dogs?
No, that is our rule.
I understand, but he is very quiet. He does not bark.
Yes, but some guests do not like dogs.
Do you have a patio outside?
Yes, right here by the entrance.
Can I sit there with him?
Of course. Outside is no problem.
Super. Can you bring me the menu?
Yes, right away.
Do you have coffee with oat milk?
Yes, it costs $2.
Very good. One, please. And a small bowl of water for Paco.
No problem. The water is free.
Thank you. That is very nice.
Would you like to eat something?
Yes, bread with tomato.
With whole wheat bread or white bread?
With whole wheat bread, please.
Okay, it will take 5 minutes.
No rush. I have time.
Here is the coffee and the water for Paco.
Look, Paco, your water.
Your dog is very cute.
Thanks. He loves people.
And here is the bread.
Thank you for letting me sit outside.
No problem. This way, it works for everyone.
I will come back.
Great. Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye.
Defective product in the store.
Good morning.
Good morning. Can I help you?
Yes, I bought a fan here yesterday. It doesn't work.
Oh, really? It doesn't turn on?
No, I plug it in, but nothing happens.
Do you have the receipt?
Yes, here you go.
Thank you. Yes, I see. Bought yesterday.
Exactly.
Did you try a different electrical outlet?
Yes, but it doesn't work.
Then it must be broken.
Can I exchange it?
Of course. We have the same fan right here.
Can we test this one right now?
Yes, right here at the register. Look, this one works.
Yes, I hear the motor.
Would you like to take this one?
Yes, please.
Do you want an extra warranty? 1 extra year for $5?
Yes, I will take it.
Okay, here is the new receipt.
Thank you very much for your help.
You're welcome. We are happy to help.
Do you also have bigger fans?
Yes, we have a standing model for $39.
Not today, but maybe later.
No problem. We are open every day from 10 a.m. to 8 p.m.
Super, thanks.
Do you need a bag?
Yes, please.
Here you go. Have a nice day.
Thank you. You too. Goodbye.
Bye.